Today in this video we will learn about domain reselling system and how can we get it. Domain reselling system is basically a chain of resellers and customers who are able to resell domains as well as use the domain control panel. Usually, domain reseller can provide domains to its customers and can also provide domains to its resellers, or we can say child domain resellers. Resellers work on a wallet-based system. Further, the child domain resellers can also create customers as well as their own child resellers. The pricing is 100% customizable. HostControl dashboard looks like the screen as mentioned here. You can sell your domains from this panel via a prepaid balance or a wallet system. In this panel, you can also adjust your customer pricing as well as reseller pricing. You can get this panel easily by contacting any vendor who is operating with HostControl.